May pips be upon you, Lions. I'm going to continue my re-evaluation of my hot list that I started with the forecast videos. We want to see if we want to revisit the ones that I have red listed here. These were the ones that looked like they were forming some really good setups that were pending. You know what I'm saying? So let's check them out and see what's still hot and what's not. Okay. Second chance passed off the radar. This one's off the radar. How did I get it on the hot list? Let's get rid of this. That might have been earlier. Okay. Let's see. What we're looking for is a long position. It looks like I might have missed an opportunity here on the 4 hour. All right, I'm going to get rid of this line. Matter of fact, what it seems is I had. Matter of fact, let me get this out of here. Yeah, what it seems is I had a setup where I was looking for this as TP1, TP2, TP3. All right, if you remember what the video talk described, but we're gonna do some fresh analysis on this. Somehow I missed. I still. Let's see. Hold on. All right. I like to keep my notes there. All right. So what do we have here? I see we have this support here. Pretty good support, I would say, wouldn't you? All right, at this looks like a CP pattern, a continuation pattern, rally base rally, but it might be more like a pause. But what I want to see is what if we missed one? Yeah, we definitely this setup was last week, right? And we're looking for a second chance entry here. All right, that second chance, second chance entry did come, and we got that bullish engulfer. This was our entry here. Doggone it. This was our entry here. Now you can put your stop loss below this structure here, but this is the better place to put it. I'm telling you that right now, because you want to protect your stop loss. So if price does reverse, it has to go through this resistance, this resistance, this support here, which is all the way across, and then again another layer down here. All right, that's for swing traders. All right, and we want to target these highs here. And unfortunately, when I put this on the red list, it was hot here. We were waiting for it to break. This is the break we needed, and it's already gotten away. All right, if you got in on this, my kudos. All right, for those that missed it, wait patiently, because price will retrace and it'll give you a second chance entry. All right, let's assume that it's going to turn here. All right, let's assume that this is the pullback area, and we will look for at least a 38% pullback, which coincides with, which aligns with that structure over here at the 38 level. All right, which is cool. If price comes back here, that's great. That's great. If price returns here, then we can catch a buy and go long there. All right, if it comes back even deeper, that's even better. If it comes back to the 50 or to the 618, fine. We just wait until price comes back to this area, and we'll watch for the price action and look for bullish price action. We want to see this kind of stuff here, where a bullish engulfer comes in, and we can take the next candle and move on out. Okay, that's what we want to do on Aussie USD. let's go to the next one, Aussie yen. All right. Wow, what do we got going on here? Man, keep doing that. All right. What do we got going on here? We were looking for a long position. Oh my goodness. God, it did come back here. That's great. Oh, man, this was a great one. This was a great one. This was the original that came last week. The original entry, optimal entry. All right, it came up, gave us a second chance entry, hitting this. This is what I talked about in my forecast video, that we're waiting for it to hit that that trend line, because that trend line, you can see, like I showed you in the video, comes from all the way down here from the 2020 October, and it's been respected even recently, hitting here, here, and then here. All right, man. So, and I pointed out these would be profit targets up here to include the highs here. So this was a great trade. This was a great entry down here. You saw how, you can see, excuse me, you can see how price has engulfed, gave us this bullish candle from finding support here. And that's what we wanted to see, right? So what do we do now for those that are not involved in this trade, right? Well, we gotta wait. Let's look at the oscillator. All right, we were looking for longs. This was the best position here. All right, it did retrace, gave us a lovely, this was the best kind, because it almost came back to the original. Actually, it did come back to the original entry space, but this is the better entry for the second chance. You want to make sure price proves that it is bullish. And then we have this impulse, and we have a 38, looks like a 38% retracement on that impulse. Again, silliness. All right. Yeah. Comes down, almost hits it exactly. And we can expect price to break these highs from here. This is still, in my view, not a bad entry, but I will wait. I would wait, because this area here kind of looks like a double top for me. And I think a better entry, a safer entry would be above, when price breaks these highs. All right. And then we can look to get involved in you can look to get involved in a late entry for this swing trade. All right. If you're not already involved, too bad. All right. We just got to wait and be patient for another entry. So this one definitely worked out, played out like I thought, but it's not on the hot list anymore. All right. We're going to take that one off. All right. Let's go to the next one, Aussie CAD. I got a lot of scribbles gravel on this one. We missed the optimal entry. We're looking for shorts on this one. Yes. Yeah, we're looking for shorts on this one. And I'm not sure what all this mess is. I'm going to get rid of all this mess. This is confusing the heck out of me. It's actually giving me a little bit of a headache. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Everything gone, good, clean fun. All right, so we're at the opposite end of this, the oscillator. So the oscillator is no good for us anymore. All right, so what did I want? I wanted to see price give us a better entry. How did this one even make the hot list is my question. This was the second chance entry on this one. All right, we should have gotten in. The short was up here. All right, this is a nice pull of action. This was a second chance. It wasn't that great of an entry though. I was waiting for price to break these lows and break this this support, turn it into resistance. We could very well be on our way back up to retest these lows. Very well. But right now, because price is in the, it looks like price is in the middle of this range here, you know, I don't want to mess around with it. All right, especially it looks like it made a higher low. All right, so I would wait until price either comes up here, gives me that optimal entry for a swing low, you know, a swing trade to the low, to the downside, or wait until price breaks this low before I start thinking to get involved in a trade. All right, I will wait for a break and retest of that of this support and turn it into resistance. But right now we're in the middle, so this is it's not a hot trade anymore. It played out. It played out lovely from here. This was a nice retracement, and if you didn't get involved in it, that's sad. That's kind of sad. Look, let me get rid of this. I want to show you. I just want to see what it looks like on the Fibonacci. Yeah, it came up to the 38. When you have a strong impulse like that, like I mentioned earlier in the other video, once you have a strong impulse, the correction will probably be shorter than a full pullback. So we look for it to hit the 382 at the very least, and that's exactly what it did. Is playing out right now. May come, we broke these lows, so maybe we might get price to find resistance here, and then come down, do its dance here, and then come down and work its way down. All right, that's what we're looking for now. We gotta wait. We just gotta wait, see how it develops. Look at the price action, right? So that's AUDCAD. That is no longer on the hot list, but I am going to watch it because it's bearish and it's moving bearishly. All right. CAD yen. What do we got here? We're looking for longs. It's not giving me my it didn't pull back down here like I was hoping. So it looks like it wants to stay on top, turn this resistance into support. And I said, if it does go that way, that's fine. We can look for a break and a retest up here. But I like it when price, let's move this. I like it when price spends time away on break and retest. When it goes up, comes, spends a little time away and then comes down for the retest, does this little dance here, and then gives us that bullish engulfer to take higher. All right, that's perfect price action for me. All right, when it comes to a break and retest. Yes, I would have loved to have seen price come down here. That's why I have this alert here. But it looks like it might want to. It looks like it's turning the resistance into support. So we'll just have to wait. I will wait patiently and see what it does. Let me see something here. If I put fibs on this here, if that support doesn't hold, I did it again. If that support doesn't hold, then it's not a big. We'll see if price can pull back, maybe to these levels, maybe to the 50 fib, maybe to the 618 fib. We'll see. Right now we're dancing around the 38 fib, and I like to see price spend some time away. It looks like it might want to show a little exhaustion, and maybe we might get a break above these highs, and that's the only time I'll start to think about price. Think about getting involved in a long here from this point. If you're not already involved, you have to wait. You have to wait. In my view, wait for price to give you a better price to get in for a long position. All right, so this one comes off of the hot list. Let's go to New Zealand dollar USD. I got all kind of notes here. We were looking for a second chance entry on this one. And it looks like that happened. Doggone it, it did happen. Exactly, and it hit my alert. It hit my alert. It happened, and I hope people got involved. I hope when I put that alert and I put that out in the video, that you got involved in this, because this was a good one. It acted out exactly like I thought it would, and we can get rid of all of that action, right? So what happened is this was the optimal entry for the long position. Why are we looking for a long position? Because it's bullish, right? And you can see that it was bullish here. Did a lot of sideways action, came down, broke this higher low here. All right, actually broke the higher low here, and came back, retested it, continued down, gave another test, and then continued and broke that low. Came back down, and now we are up back above these levels. We broke this high over here. All right, so we are moving bullishly again. We broke the original uptrend. All right, moved sideways, then broke. Then you see the demonstration of strength by breaking these highs. So now we're bullish again, and this was our entry, which happened last week. Again, it took too long to develop, so I moved on to other pairs. And oh man, this was our momentum candle here. All right, breaking these highs, we would have got involved here. Boom, it came back, retraced. This was our second chance entry. The second chances are the best chances. We broke the high. We would have got involved right here for the entry. Excuse me, on this momentum candle here. All right, this is what we call a railroad. Railroad tracks comes out, comes back in equally. All right, this is a reversal pattern, and I would have put my stop loss under this structure, and we would have just took it up to the house. All right, aiming at these highs over here for 244 pips. Now, we can still get involved. Of course we can. All right, we just have to wait for a pullback. All right, don't think of it as third chances and whatnot like that. You can't. You can still get involved. All right, and for those that are already involved, all right, it'll be a great chance to get in for another trade to add to your position. All right, now what are we looking for? We're not looking for arrows. We're looking for Fibonacci. All right, let's just say that this is the pullback area. All right, this is where it's going to start to pull back. We look for a price to come back near our entry. Why? Because there's structure here that aligns with the Fibonacci retracement level of 618. All right, if price comes back into this zone, this is a great place to get involved in this trade. Now it may go higher, all right, but we can still look towards it might turn over here where we find some significant resistance. So look here for price to come back into this area, and then you can get involved in this long trade, because this is going to go. You see how we're making higher highs and higher lows. All right, this is going to go. All right, let's see how it goes. All right, and I will keep an alert on this one because I like the way it's moving, especially against the US dollar. I'm going to put an alert on this one. We'll see how it goes. All right, because I would like to get another one in on this one for sure, because in some cases greed is good, but you have to be strategic with your greed. So is that greed? I don't know. Just capitalizing. That's all. We're capitalists. Let's go to New Zealand dollar yen. All right. So this one is doing the same thing as same kind of price action. Yeah, same kind of price action as its cousin, New Zealand dollar, New Zealand US dollar. All right. We had the optimal entry here. It came back. It was similar bullish price action, all right? You would have got involved here, you'd be good. Now we're probably going to make this double top here, all right? Similar to over here, all right? Just wait for the pullback. Just got to wait for the pullback, man. All right. We got the price action is a little cleaner with New Zealand dollar, New Zealand US dollar. All right, because it didn't have this rejection here, this bearish candle. So price may stop here because this is structure, and it may stop here and then come up. So look for a price to dither if it does pull back around this area. And if you wanted to get involved, that'd probably be your opportunity to get involved. Let me see something here. Yeah, this was our second chance. So maybe if it comes back, if it finds its way back like its sister down here, then we can take it higher. All right, but until that time, leave it alone. All right, I'm gonna watch this one. I got NZDUSD on watch. This one not so much because I like the price action here better. All right, NZDCAD. Wow, it's happening, folks. It's happening. What I said was we're looking for shorts, right? And the oscillator is not favorable. It would be favorable up here. So I have this short-term trend line. So we're looking for price to come up into this area, and that's exactly what it's doing to give us a good entry. We're going to start looking for bearish price action around these levels in this area. Okay. So keep your eye on this one. This one stays on the hot list as far as I'm concerned. All right. And you know what? That's the last one. That's good. That's very good. All right, folks. Give like and describe. Like and describe. Give a like and subscribe to this channel. All right. This is for Lions. This particular video is for Lions only. All right. Ask me questions on these setups. Leave a comment in the comment section. All of that helps the your YouTube algorithm. Okay, but this one isn't going on YouTube until like maybe tomorrow. All right. So, but I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear comments about these particular setups. Give me those kind of questions so we can talk about entries and exits. You know, that's the sauce only for members only, because you're paying it for LionsDen services, and I want to help you. I want to make sure I honor that. All right. So I'm going to be cutting down on a lot of the sauce that I give normally for free out in the public. I'm going to keep that just for Lions only, so that your premium membership is honored and valued. Okay. So like I said, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. All right. And let me get your comments and I'll answer in the chat, and I will see you in the next video.